and punya and pap karma. That's a relationship. And I think I did discuss all these relationship at different time in different thing, but let me read it, summarize it here. Okay. All ghati karma subdue the innate qualities of the soul, and hence all categories of ghati karma is classified pap or sinful karma. If you acquire any ghati karma, means you are acquiring pap karma. Okay. There is no two categories in ghati karma. There are no punya karma in ghati karma. That's the point you have to keep in mind. Ghati karmas, because આત્માના ગુણોનો ઘાત કરે છે. જે આત્માના ગુણોનો ઘાત કરે, it cannot be punya. It has to be classified as a pap. Okay. Only aghati karma that are responsible for physical environment of a living being are classified as a result of punya karma as well as the pap karma. So not aghati karma, not all punya karma. They could be punya or they could be pap. If you get a human life, long life, that's a aghati punya karma. But let's say you are born in hell, okay, you're going to suffer. That's a aghati pap karma. Okay. Aghati pap karma and aghati punya karma. You got both. Similarly, all other categories, in a sense, aghati karma has, if you get a good environment, if you get a good friends, okay, can help you to progress spiritually. You got a good cultural families. These are all your aghati punya karma. Or if you find a family, your birth is such that every morning when they eat, they among fight each other in the family. That's the birth of the aghati pap karma. So it is all that way you can see, but they are all aghati karma. Okay. In summary, all punya karma are aghati karma, while pap karma belong to both ghati and aghati karma. That's make sure this is the relationship. They have it. Right? Now let me go further. Any question? Let me ask you.